To it.
Now what? You still need information.
Don't be stupid. We go to a different library.
I need lunch first.
It's 10 in the morning.
It's 12 o'clock somewhere.
Oh no! Chris, why did you let me drink your milkshake? I've got to get to my medicine. Come on! Oh! Curse you, burgerphile!
Cinnamon, it makes everything better. Ice cream, pancakes, even liver.
Oh, you fucking place.
The bench? The bench is art now?
And the sandwich.
Oh, sorry.
Wasn't there also an apple pie?
Shut up. We're almost there. What the? Stop air quoting at me! There is an actual physical imposter out there, and we are going to make him pay.
All right, Dan. Let's go find Dan.
Stop saying it like that. I'll be back. Stupid expired lunch meats! Why are you so affordable? Oh. What's up? Where's the toilet paper? Oh. I should have at least 10 rolls left. Mr. Mumbles, toilet paper is not a toy. If you need to shred something, that's why I stole Chris's shoe. Mr. Mumbles!